3號強風信號現正生效，預計本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺凌晨2點，熱帶風暴暹芭集結喺香港以南大約550公里，即係喺北緯17.4度、東經114.7度附近。預計向西北移動，時速大約18公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸一帶。隨住暹芭逐漸靠近廣東西部沿岸，本港離岸及高地吹強風，間中會有狂風大驟雨。3號強風信號會喺今日中午前維持，隨後會唔會改發8號烈風或暴風信號，就要視乎暹芭嘅發展同本港風力變化。天文台會密切監察暹芭動向。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，大老山、塔門同華南島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時69、62同55公里，最高陣風分別係每小時86、86同63公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 2 a.m., Tropical Storm Chaba was estimated to be about 550 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 17.4 degrees north, 114.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. As Chaba gradually edges closer to the coast of western Guangdong, there are occasional heavy squally showers and strong winds offshore and on high ground over the territory. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force before noon today. The need to issue the number 8 gale or storm signal thereafter depends on the development of Chaba and the changes of the local winds. The observatory will closely monitor the movement of Chaba. Seas are rough and there will be swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Tap Moon and Waglan Island were 69, 62 and 55 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts 86, 86 and 63 kilometers per hour respectively.